Hey, I'm Big Mike, and right now we're about to see some little rudimentary science that I had to do for my physics lab. Now, what I had to do was I had to set up a pendulum and record data from what I learned from using that actual pendulum. But it's an online class. But instead of like doing something online, she decided that we needed like actual materials for this one, and we had to use like a string, a random object to hang from the string, a ruler to measure everything off, and a protractor, which I didn't have. So, but she said we could print one out, and I used that to the best of my ability to make this pendulum. Y'all gonna want to see this. Check this out. Oop, couldn't see me for a second. Anyways, this is it right here. The pendulum set up around my TV station. Now, a little, like what I got here is my little entertainment center, and I use like a bunch of tape to like make the ruler like to hang the pendulum in. It's pretty sturdy, ain't gonna bend or break or nothing. And I use the green string. Go UNCC. That's what I'm repping. And this little pieces of tape. That's what I use to mark off where I had to hang the string from. Like because we had to hang it from certain like heights in order to get the data from it. Now, what I used as the actual pendulum, like the object, what I used was a charger brick. Yes, a charger brick. It's 2020 millennials. This is the most random object you could find in your room. A charger brick with no cord. I don't even know how that happened with me, but I just used it. Anywho, here's the little protractor. Again, didn't have one out. Now this was a little bit of an ingenious move. So like the ruler already had like that little cut in the middle that stabilized everything. But what I did was I cut extra slit because I used the tape. The tape covered that up. So what I did was cut me like a real slit with an X-Acto knife. And what this ended up helping me was it because the tape like blocked it off so that it wouldn't fall and it kept it in place. So it actually did like a good job because I thought I was gonna have to hold it myself and then use like Siri or Google Assistant to use the stopwatch for me. But yeah, it actually worked pretty good. So anywho, right now you're about to see a